Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do pick a card reading and it is yes or no pick a card reading and this is quick pick a card reading. So take a deep breath before choosing the pile and ask your question. So this is yes or no pick a card reading and this is pile 1 yellow, pile 2 white and pile 3 red and pile 4 pink, pile 5 this red and white hat and pile 6 white heart. So those who choose pile number 1, this yellow color hat. So let's see your reading. It is yes or no. The death and 8 of wands. I think it is mixed. So I want to pull one card for clarification. It is yes or no. The lovers. Yeah, I think it is S, 80% S, those who choose pile number 1, because the death is also positive card. The lovers, definitely there is love between both of you in relationship wise or in career wise. Those who choose this pile number 1, definitely there is some positive change. 8 of wands, there is some positive movement, rapid movement is coming. If you are asking for relationship, definitely communication is coming in your way and some messages, definitely some transformation is going in your person's life or you are in your life. The lovers, definitely there is some intimacy. So those who choose pile number 1, it is S. So let's see those who choose this white color flower. It is straight S or no. Princess of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. Yeah, it is straight S. There is no need for clarification here. Yeah, Princess of Pentacles is some messages and Princess of Pentacles is this person has clarity and they know what to do and they are very career oriented and some messages and they're trusting their intuition also. Definitely 10 of Cups and Princess of Pentacles. Definitely you are waiting for communication. Definitely you will get some messages from your person and 10 of Cups, and it is straightforward as those who choose pile number 2, this white color flower. So let's see pile number 3, those who choose this red color flower. Justice and Ace of Pentacles. Yes, this is also S, those who choose pile number 3, because Ace of Pentacles is strong long-term commitment and Justice is second chance. If you are waiting for second chance with your person, definitely it is coming. Yeah, Justice, you or your person could be Libra, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, HN also. Definitely those who choose pile number 3, it is straightforward S. There is no need for clarification. So those who choose pile number 4, this pink color heart. Let's see your answer. 5 of Cups. There is separation between both of you. Those who choose 4th pile and Princess of Wands. Yeah, but you will receive some communication. Princess of Wands. Are you stand by your power after the separation? I want one clarification card for here. Yeah, after the separation, definitely it is S. If you are waiting for your person messages, yeah, definitely there is some movement is going to be happen in this connection in near future. The Chariot is here. Your person could be Cancer, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, and Princess of Wands. I think you stand by your power now. Definitely your person is coming back. If you are choosing pile 4, yeah, it is S. Even though it is 5 of Cups, separation is there, still it is S because the Chariot is here. 80% S. Okay, so those who choose pile number 5, this hat, let's see it is S or no. 4 of Cups and 2 of Cups. I want one clarification card here. Yeah, it is S because you are manifesting your person back. 4 of Cups. I think for some there is separation in past, or you maybe your person not accepting the cup of love which is offered by you in past, but now 2 of Cups and Magician. Definitely you are manifesting your person back. Yeah, your wishes are going to be true. Those who choose pile number 5, it is 100% S. Yes, it is 100% S. So let's see those who choose this white color heart. Your quick answer for S or no? Wow, it is 100% S, because there is no need to clarification here, because 9 of cups with Queen of cups. Definitely you are very giving person, you are very caring person. I am just giving the cards information. And 9 of cups, yeah, your wishes are going to be granted. Yes, definitely it is straightforwarded S card. Because 9 of cups is wish fulfillment. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted. Those who choose pile number 6, white heart, definitely your wishes are going to be true. Yeah, it is straightforwarded S. So this is the reading for you guys today. So hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and please click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.